What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm starting out the vlog a little late. Reason for that is because it's been super hot lately, so I did not want to work out in the sun. But yeah, the sun's going down already. It's starting. There's a breeze and it's starting to get a little colder. But today, I already have. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I already have my car up in the air. Today I'm gonna be installing some coilovers on my car. Reason for that is because the front two top mounts make noise as I go over bumps, and I honestly don't really want to rebuild them. I had them on the car for about 4 years now, and honestly I just want a different setup now. And they're very bouncy too, so why I want to get a different coilover. So yeah, it should be fun. I went with the Rockstar Garage fuel suspension, 14K in the front and 12K in the rear. Pass up on the deal. I got a really good deal on it through Justin at Rockstar Garage, so thank you for that. But yeah, I'm gonna get to it. I'll show you like little clips of me working on the car. Let me show you guys real quick. I also picked up, you can't really see it right now, but I also picked up an iBox front sway bar. I'm going to be installing that in the car soon as well. I just haven't had the time right now. I wasn't going to pick up the sway bar. I saw some guy posted on the Facebook S2000 marketplace, and he was selling it cheap. I think he only wanted 120 for it, and he just wanted my stock front sway bar, so I was like, I couldn't pass up on that deal. So I just traded him my sway bar and just picked this one up, and yeah, so hopefully I install it soon as well. I'm probably gonna keep the same ride height. Honestly, like how the height is on the car. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is how she sits right now currently. This is pretty much how I want it. I mean, it's not too low. It has a good amount of space right here. I'm not really trying to go all that stance, but I like it. It's not too, the gap is not too big, but it's good, just so I won't have any rubbing issues. Yeah, she's sitting pretty good. Pretty low, but not too low. The back looks, I like how the back came out. Looks really clean. But yeah, just trying to go for that track stance look. Let me know what you guys think. Should I lower more or should I raise it more? But honestly, I like how it looks. I like how the fitment is. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.